My mom's out here blowing up a dolphin. Thanks, Ma. Look at him. I just won my freaking dolphin for the pool. Come on, little guy. You got it. It's like 20 seconds later. Gotten a little progress. Let's do a quick time lapse. We are back out. What's good, you guys? We are back out here. We got my freaking friend. What are we gonna name him? Should he be on the vlog? That's pretty sick. Might as well say it now. But don't forget to follow me on Snapchat to watch when I post. It's every Tuesday or every other Tuesday. Unfortunately, it's been kind of every other Tuesday this past month or so, but I'm still adjusting. Just moved to Arizona. Still gonna be banging out vlogs. Just want to say a huge thank you to you guys that all subscribed, and if you are subscribed and you are watching this video, leave down in the comments that you're sub. Cool, I appreciate it, and if you haven't yet, hit that sub. I want to sit down and talk a little bit about 100 subscriber video, right? I got 100 subscribers. It's fucking sick. So, what should I do? Should I have 100 pizzas thrown at my face? Should I eat 100 chicken nuggets? Why is my thing all food right now? These are just the ideas that are popping out of my head. So let's see if one day we can make that 1,000 or something. I'm just gonna keep going by golden rules, and you guys like my pants. I decided to throw that out there. I'm wearing some checkerboard pants. You can get them at facilities near you. We are out here. And that is just a good thing. I guess really, if you clicked on this video, I have a primitive shirt in this bag, and we're going to go ahead, try it on, and review it, and let you guys know what I think. And to start this off with, yes, I know Primitive is Paul Rodriguez's clothing brand. I don't know much about it, so I'm going to look a little bit up and let you guys know if I find anything on my laptop. Right back to you guys. Alright, so I just looked up a little bit about the brand Primitive, and first thing that I want to say, let me go ahead and zoom in on my camera a little bit. Come on, come on, come on. Get in there, get in there. About clothing, get rid of that lighting. Paul Rodriguez Jr. is a skateboarder. I'm pretty sure his dad was like a comedian or something. So, disregarding that, Paul Rodriguez Jr. is a skateboarder, sponsored by Mountain Dew. This is my personal background. Sponsored by Plan B Skateboards. And really that big sponsor, Plan B Skateboards, is what makes this story interesting. I'm going to do a little summary. Obviously, like, this is irrelevant, but it is important because it's part of the brand, and that's the brand I'm reviewing today. I think he was going to a Street League event or like an X Games, and he had spray painted his Plan B board gold. Anyways, everybody noticed it and was like, yo, what's up with this? Why are you not riding for Plan B? They were freaking out as a company, and unfortunately he just had to drop them. I'm pretty sure this is the story. Don't quote me on it. He had done that, and then after that, from the popularity, he wanted to sell 500 gold foil Primitive decks, and those sold out instantly, and yes, I remember now. But yeah, I got this for my work. I was debating this between this or a Huff shirt. I already have a Huff shirt, so I mean, I guess go ahead and do the Primitive. I mean, this looks like, this is also a Primitive brand shirt, so like this, obviously, you know. If it didn't say Primitive in here, I'd be concerned. But let's see if we can get that to focus a little bit. So yeah, it's a Primitive brand shirt. Of course, it's got good length to it. Like, that's what I'd wear. I'm probably gonna wear this to work tomorrow. And that's pretty sick. And let me go ahead and throw it on for you guys. But first I gotta do this so I can wear it. You know, I was been holding on to this for a few days without taking off any of the tags or anything, because I wanted to do it in the video. Alright you guys, I'm digging this color. It's like, it reminds me of like Red Rocks, or if you went to like Moab, like almost like a real earthy, natural reddish brown. It's not like black and it's not red, but it's like this color. Of course, I always gotta roll up the sleeves. It's what I do. You know, it fits great. So I like the color, I like the brown, I like the quality. Nothing bad to say about it. I'm excited to wear it. It'll probably be a popular shirt for me to own. People might ask for reviz. I love the font. That font's pretty fire. I'm wearing a fake gold chain. We out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog. LYV gang, you know what's up. Tune in every week. Live your vision, you guys. That is the YouTube channel. 100 freaking subscribers. That's freaking sick. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Yeah.